Alright, so the HTML version of our theme, we have the HTML done, but we need to do the CSS. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up app.css. And if we take a look at the template, we're going to start with the core styles. Now, you'll notice that by default the buttons and the links are blue. I actually want to change that to red. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put an A tag, and let's say color, and that's going to be a value of EC2 C2F, okay, which will give it that red color. Alright, so that's the links. Now we also want the buttons to have a background color of that. Alright, and I also want to give the buttons a little border at the bottom. So let's say border bottom, and we'll do 3 pixels. Let's do 333 solid. Okay, now when I hover over it, it turns blue. Same thing with the links, so we want to fix that. So let's do an A hover. Okay, we're going to fix the color, which will be 333. And we also want button, hover, and that's going to be the background. Alright, let's check that. Okay, that's good. So let's now take care of this menu. So that's in the header, so we're going to say header dot main nav, and let's float it to the right, and let's do margin top 30 pixels, and let's set the font size a little bigger. We'll do 18 pixels. Alright, and then for the li tags, we're going to do those. Okay, we just want to give a padding right of 20. Okay, reload, and there we go. Let's also give a little margin to the header on the bottom. Okay. So next, let's do the showcase area. So that has a class of showcase, and it also has a class of callout. Okay, so first thing, we want to text align to the center, and let's add a padding of 30 pixels, and also a margin bottom of 20 pixels. Alright, that looks better. Now for the products area, let's say products, columns. We're just going to add a margin bottom. Alright, and let's do product, singular. And for that, we want to text align to the center. Let's see. So for the button, I want to add a little margin to the top. So I'm going to say product, button, margin top, and let's do 10 pixels. Alright, let's save that, reload. Okay, that's starting to look good. Now for the menu on the right, I want to add a little bit of a border underneath each list item. So that has a class of vertical. So we'll say vertical li, border bottom, let's do 1 pixel, and we'll do triple C solid. Yeah. Alright, now I don't want the last one to have a border, so let's copy that. And then we're just going to add on to this, last child, and we'll set this to none. Okay, that should get rid of the last border. And I think we're just about there. Let's do the footer. Okay, footer, I'm going to give it a background 333. Let's give it a color of white. And what else? Let's align things to the center. Let's give a margin to the top. And also a padding to the top. We'll do 20 pixels. And I think that's it. So let's save it. Alright. No, that doesn't look right. Let's set a height. I don't know, 70. That's good. Alright. So not too bad. Let's take a look at details. Okay, that looks good. About page looks good. Actually, that shouldn't be centered. Oh, I think I have a class in there that I shouldn't. Let's see. Yeah, we have right here, product. Let's take off product and end. There we go. Alright, so our HTML template is done. In the next video, we're going to jump into WordPress, and we'll start to create a WordPress theme based on this design.